Hello, guys. This video will show you how to change the supplier of a product. Go to your DSers dashboard and navigate to My Products. Access the AliExpress tab in the navigator bar. Hover on the product card of the product that you desire and click the mapping button. Under the Basic tab in the Marketplaces window, paste a new AliExpress product URL in the search bar under Map Supplier and click OK. The product will appear in the Add Products column. Click the wrench icon next to the newly imported product image. In the pop-up, keep the main supplier option selected and click Confirm to make it your new default supplier. In the Default Supplier column, click on Select Options and choose an option. Click on Select Variants of each variant and choose a supplier variant to match your product variant. Don't forget to click Save. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!